Hey guys, it's very exciting. We're almost done with our first section, our first module in Ramsey Classroom. So the Intro to Personal Finance review is what we're going to work on today. So I want to show you how that works. It's a little bit different than we usually do. So obviously we're always going to log in through Clever. So I'm logging in through Clever, go into this red section, go to Google Classroom, and then we're going to find, so as always, go to the classwork tab. Now we are on assignment number 5, okay? So let's read the instructions. Today we will review the Intro to Personal Finance module. There are several activities to complete, so make sure you complete them all, okay? So first of all, there's an attached Google Doc. This is a review, okay? It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. You're gonna go back through the module to see if you can find these things, okay? So the list of the key components of financial planning below. So there's 7 key components of financial planning. So you can find that. That's in section 1, 2, or 3. There's some big ideas. So it's kind of like if you read this statement and then make an I believe statement. So for example, number 1, personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. So I believe that the habits that you have with saving money and budgeting money are really what helps us to save and to be able to eventually be financially successful. The knowledge that we gain in this class is helpful, but I believe that the habits are really more important, okay? So just a quick statement starting out with what you believe about that particular topic, okay? So that's for the big ideas. The money in review, respond to the following short answer questions below. So you're just giving a response to what you think about these questions, okay? And then we're going to get to the Take Action Challenge. The first key component of financial planning is to assess your current financial situation. So this link, which is also linked here, okay, will take you to a very rudimentary budget, okay? And so if I enter my month, so I'll make this up, all right? So if I enter monthly income, say I get $1,000 a month, okay? And then it kind of parcels it out for you a little bit. So it budgets $820, and then the remaining $180 you want to budget yourself. So when we get into the budgeting module, we'll talk more about this, but it is important that you budget all $1,000, okay? So in this case, it automatically does it for you. So some of you guys may not be paying housing right now, right? You're living at home. You don't have to worry about that. You probably don't have to worry about utilities. But then again, some of you may also be helping out with the bills. So maybe you are helping with utilities. So maybe you're doing $100 there, okay? And maybe you're helping out with housing. So maybe you are doing that. And then the last $130, I would say I would probably want to toss into savings so that I've budgeted all $1,000 of what I make. And then do me a favor, email it to yourself. And then, so we're going to use these budgets for something later on. So when you're done with this, then scroll down. There's a journal question right at the bottom. Answer that, and then submit it in Google Classroom. The idea of this is we're actually doing the post-test tomorrow. So you want to go ahead and just do this review. It'll help you out with the post-test, okay? As always, guys, feel free to text me, hit me up on Zoom while we're in class if you have any questions, okay? This should not take you more than the whole class to do it.